and with a strong ethos of honesty, which is what the Bajaj Group stands for. As we have built these businesses over the last 17 years, Bajaj Finserv itself last year reported a consolidated revenue of rupees 1,10,000 crore, around that much, and profit after tax of over 8,000 crores. This was FY 23-24. And yet we believe when we get to work that we are at day one of our journey, because that's the opportunity that India provides for us. At our Bajaj Finserv companies over the years, we have built a very large distribution with presence across our businesses in over 4,500 cities and towns. With this, we've catered to over 200 million Indians. We are also equally present through nearly 130,000 stores, where you get financing across multiple products. We are also present significantly digitally. Not only our own platforms, where the Bajaj Finserv app itself has over 60 million users, but across multiple digital platforms where you go to buy products or services in the country. And one of the single differentiating factors for us at our companies has been the way we have leveraged technology, the way we have leveraged cloud. We were one of the earliest adopters in 2008, taking business right up to the customer's doorsteps, the way we have leveraged data analytics so that we can understand customers better, we can offer them the right products and services, more suiting their needs. We can improve the efficiency of our own services. And all this put together with a very significant focus on empowerment, and in this case led by Atul Jain as Managing Director of the company and his team that you can see over here. Most of them, while they look very young, they are veterans in the experience that they have received from Bajaj Finance and other businesses in the group. For us at Bajaj Finserv, governance has always been foremost in our minds. We are clear that when we are building businesses, we are not just building these businesses for 10 years or 15 years or 20 years. We are building these businesses for the long term. And whether it's management, whether it's an able, experienced board, whether it is us as promoters playing that role, we are all aligned to ensure that we are building excellent businesses that benefit our customers, that benefit not only shareholders, but all our stakeholders. And in doing so, we are doing a little bit for this country as well. Bajaj Housing Finance was started in 2017, right? 7 years ago. So not too long ago. But again, with that focus to say that as India is rising, so are the aspirations of every Indian. And how can we help them through this company in realizing their dreams to own a home? And the strategy, which Atul will talk about in more detail, has been to participate in every segment within mortgages, so that we offer our services to customers across India, across income levels, across geographies, but we also build a business that is diversified where it comes to risk, where we can balance growth and profitability to build a sustainable business. And in this short span of 7 years, Bajaj Housing Finance has emerged as the fastest growing housing finance company in the country and one of the largest. Our AUM was about 50,000 crores in FY22, 2.5 years ago, and that itself would have made us one of the biggest. But now by FY24, we crossed to 90,000 crores, and as was just mentioned, over 96 or 97,000 crores as of Q1 of this year. And we still believe that we are only at the starting point of the whole opportunity that this country has provided, aided by a number of productive and proactive policies by the government for housing, not only housing to salaried customers, but also affordable housing.